Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm gonna make a door security alarm system. For this project, I'm using 9-volt battery, buzzer, and IR sensor. Link of the circuit diagram is given in the description box. First of all, I will connect two jumper wires with the positive wire of the buzzer and secure them with some electrical tape. With negative wire of the buzzer, I will connect another jumper wire. There are 3 pins on IR sensor, output, ground and VCC. I will connect VCC to positive wire of the buzzer and battery. Ground with negative wire of the battery. And output pin with the negative wire of the buzzer. Now I will connect battery to this circuit, VCC to positive wire of the battery and ground to negative wire of the battery. Our door alarm system is done. Now when I place my hand in the front of sensor, buzzer starts to beep. Don't forget to like our video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.